The atmospheric pressure at sea level is approximately 101.3 kilopascals. What is the pressure in pounds per square inch? First, we'll start with our given of 101.3 kilopascals. First, we'll convert to pascals by multiplying by 1,000 pascals per 1 kilopascal. Then we'll go from pascals to newtons per meter squared. Now we need to convert from newtons to pound force by multiplying by 1 pound force over 4.48 newtons. Then continuing, we convert the meters to centimeters by multiplying by 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. And because meters are squared, we need to square this conversion. Now we can convert from centimeters to inches by multiplying by 2.54 centimeters per 1 inch. And this conversion also has to be squared, as the centimeters are squared. This gives us that 101.3 kilopascals is approximately 14.69 psi. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what topics you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.